just finishing up with work, and tonight I'm just having a very chill night. I'm just gonna watch the rest of WandaVision. I'm gonna cook some salmon and then attempt to do my nails. They're very not cute. They're so messy. I tried something new. They're really messy. But yeah, I just watched WandaVision. I'm saving the last episode though because Paolo wants to watch it together. Well, this side is like decent, I guess, because I use my right hand, but this side is just like, oh my god, I was struggling. But the color is really pretty. It's BP from Olive and June, and I have to use the little thingamabobber that you put on top that makes it like easier to paint your nails. I basically just use the nail treatment EC, 2 coats of that, and then 2 coats of this blue, and then their top coat. We are making Mexican chipotle bowls, homemade chipotle bowls. I just have a bunch of random ingredients here. Just gonna cook them up, throw them together. So I was cutting my avocado, or I was scooping it out, and I accidentally like tipped it over and I caught it in between the table and my pants. So I have a freaking avocado like perfectly stained. It's literally a perfect avocado with the seed in the middle. Okay, now we're going to assemble everything. Rice, and then we'll do lettuce. I feel like I'm not doing a very good job of like showing everything. Okay, this chicken looks so juicy. All right, I really am not showing anything. That's what it looks like. I think that's enough chicken. Right, tomatoes. Let's put that right there. There. And then my limes I'll just put there and squeeze it on later. And then for sauce, I'm just gonna use Greek yogurt as like a substitute for sour cream, and then I have a taco sauce. And we will do a taste test. This is the bowl. That's good. That's really good. I really like the fajitas. I think I need more tomatoes though. Tomatoes. Boop, 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 boop. Massage just put more red onions too. And honestly, will probably more chicken too. Super good. Matcha. So I ordered from Princess Polly. I got 4 tops. This is my first purchase of clothing in over 6 months, and anyone that knows me knows that that is very bizarre because I am constantly buying stuff, clothes in particular. I don't know, maybe just like subconsciously, and like I moved out, I'm spending money on rent, I probably shouldn't be frivolously buying clothes. So this, it's been a long time coming. So the first thing I got is this little tank top. So it kind of has like a cowl neck in the front, and then there's adjustable straps on the back. It's a little more cropped than I had hoped for, so I just have to wear like super high-waisted pants, and that's fine. But it's just this little tie-dye cowl neck shirt. Next, I got this like sage green tie-up blouse, long sleeve. You just tie it up in the front. It's little puffy sleeves. Paolo said I looked like someone from the Renaissance era, but that's okay. I really liked it on. So it has ruching in the back, which is great. Alrighty, next, so I got this black long sleeve, again, puffy sleeves, and the front has ruching again, but it's like the type where it like ties here at the bottom, and you can, you know, adjust it to be way more cropped, or you can make it longer. I think the model was wearing it off the shoulder, but you can also wear it regularly, I believe. And this is really cute. We'll just throw on with a pair of high-waisted pants again, and you're good to go. Next, it's a little questionable. Okay, I'll just show you. It's a bodysuit. It's a white long sleeve, puffy sleeved bodysuit. Again, it has like this root. I feel like everything, the past 3 shirts I said had ruching, and all 3 of them look different. So am I saying ruching wrong? To be honest, I was getting major pirate vibes from this, and I didn't know how much I liked it on me. The sleeves were a little too puffy on the shoulders. I think they're a little big. I'll probably try it on again later and like wear it with an actual outfit, so like I have a better idea of what it'll look like when I wear it out, if I wear it out. Yeah, if you want to be a pirate, you can get this. Short, sweet, simple haul. So